Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to talk about the road to recovery of an aircraft. Now, the road to recovery, well, first off, nobody ever said that it was easy or that it was paved. So here we have a dirt road to recovery. And by the way, nobody ever said that it was always going to be dry either. So Jimmy and Mary Jo had a fun trip driving there, pulling the trailer, finally getting to the remote airport. So that was the contributions of Mid Atlantic Yankee Aviation. And then Yankee Aviation in Hamilton, Ohio at Hogan Field sent Matt and Ethan up to Hearted Airstrip to help Jimmy and Mary Jo recover the aircraft. And coming in by road, it was a rough road. I mean, this was old forest and it's right on the shore. So it's in a remote area. But anyway, today we're going to talk about the recovery of an aircraft. And no matter how you get there, it is a fun time because you get to see a lot of local stuff. And it's a lot of work because you have to take the airplane apart carefully so you don't do any further damage to the airplane so that the reconstruction of the aircraft can take place. So here, enjoy this video of the guys going through taking the airplane apart, getting it loaded, and getting ready to go home. And we'll add some music to this for you.
Pointed in the right direction.
Well, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and have a good day flying your Grumman.